Let us write the electron dot structure for some of the molecules. Let us start from hydrogen molecule. Take down in your notebook. Hydrogen molecule. What is the symbol of hydrogen? It is H. Its atomic number is 1. Hydrogen molecule. Two hydrogen atoms join together to form a molecule of hydrogen. Now write its electronic configuration. Atomic number is 1. In its K shell there is only one electron. This is the nucleus of hydrogen atom. This is the K shell. It has only one electron. So right here show the electron here. What is the capacity of K shell? 2 electrons. In the first shell K, S, the capacity of S is 2 electrons. Here only one electron. There is a shortage of one electron to hydrogen atom. Formation of hydrogen molecule. Here two hydrogen atoms join together. Now we show the dot structure for one hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom with one electron, one valence electron. One more hydrogen atom with one valence electron. These are hydrogen atoms. Take down in your notebook. Hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atoms. Now show the formation of hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen atom with one valence electron. This. Now this hydrogen atom with one electron, with one valence electron. It requires one electron. This hydrogen atom requires one electron. Now, this requirement is fulfilled by the sharing of electrons between these two hydrogen atoms. Now, these two electrons are shared. Now, its requirement is fulfilled. Now, here, sharing of electrons. It has now 2 electrons. Its requirement is fulfilled. Now, this is called hydrogen molecule. H2 molecule. This is the electron dot structure for hydrogen atom. How many electrons are paired here? One pair of electrons are shared. So, one hydrogen atom, one more hydrogen atom, one pair of electrons are shared between these two hydrogen atoms. This is called single covalent bond. Write in your notebook. A single covalent bond. Covalent bond between hydrogen atoms. Between hydrogen atoms. Single covalent bond between hydrogen atoms. Let us write the electron dot structure for oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule. Two atoms of oxygen combine together to form a molecule of oxygen, O2. Oxygen is O. Atomic number is 8. Write its electronic configuration. In the first shell, how many electrons? Yes, 2 electrons. In the first shell, K shell, 2 electrons. After K, which shell? First shell K, L, 2s, 2p, right? 2s, 2. Then in 2p, we want 8 electrons. 2 plus 2, 4. 2p, how many electrons? 4 electrons. 2, 4, 8. Now it has how many electrons in its outermost shell? 6 electrons. 2 plus 4, 6 electrons. So it has 6 valence electrons. Now write the dot structure. One oxygen atom with 6 valence electrons. 4, 5, 6. Capacity of P is 6 electrons. Here there are 4 electrons. It requires 2 more electrons to attain its octet state or octet configuration. So you write this side because it requires 2 more electrons. Now one more oxygen atom with how many valence electrons? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now these are the oxygen atoms. Take down in your notebook. These are oxygen atoms. Now the sharing of electrons. This oxygen atom with 6 valence electrons. This oxygen atom with 6 valence electrons. Write this little far. Oxygen atom with 6 valence electrons. Now the sharing, look at the sharing of electrons here. Now it has how many electrons? 2, 4, 6, 8. Its requirement is fulfilled. Now this oxygen atom, show the sharing of electrons. Now it has how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Its requirement is fulfilled. Now this is called O2, oxygen molecule. Write in your notebook. This is oxygen molecule. How many pairs of electrons are shared between these two oxygen atoms? This forms one pair. This forms one more pair. This is oxygen atoms. 2 pairs of electrons are shared. This is called double covalent bond. In the case of hydrogen atom, hydrogen molecule, single covalent bond. This is 2 pairs of electrons are shared. So it is double covalent bond, right? Double covalent bond between oxygen atoms. Double covalent bond between oxygen atoms. Double covalent bond between oxygen atoms. This is the dot structure for oxygen molecule. Chlorine molecule, Cl2. Symbol of chlorine is Cl. Its atomic number is 17. Write its electronic configuration: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. After filling L shell, electrons go to the M shell. K, L, M. K shell, L shell, M shell. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d. After filling the K shell, electrons go to the M shell. It is 3s, 3s2. Count the number of electrons. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Now it is 3p. How many electrons? 5 electrons. In the outermost shell, how many electrons? 2 plus 5, 7 electrons. It has 7 valence electrons. What is the capacity of P? How many electrons can be filled in? P. 6 electrons. Here there are 5 electrons. There is a shortage of 1 electron. So its valence is 1. It has how many valence electrons? 2 plus 5, 7 valence electrons. Now write its dot structure. 1 chlorine atom with 7 valence electrons. 2, 4, 5, 6. Here single electron right here. One more chlorine atom. 2, 4, 6 here. Now these two are chlorine atoms. Write in your notebook. These are chlorine atoms. Now show the formation of chlorine molecule. It requires 1 electron. So these 2 electrons are shared between these 2 chlorine atoms. 1 chlorine atom with 7 valence electrons. This chlorine atom with 7 valence electrons. Now sharing of electrons. It requires 1 electron. So now its requirement is fulfilled. It has how many electrons now? 2, 4, 6, 8. Now it requires 1 electron. So the sharing of electrons between these two chlorine atoms. Here this is now chlorine molecule. Write in your notebook. It is a chlorine molecule. How many pairs of electrons are shared? Only 2 electrons. So one pair of electrons are shared. Cl. It is a single covalent bond. Right below this you write single covalent bond. A single covalent bond between how many chlorine atoms? Between 2 chlorine atoms. Single covalent bond between 2 chlorine atoms. Single covalent bond between 2 chlorine atoms. This is the dot structure for chlorine molecule. Nitrogen molecule. N2. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Write its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 2p3. It has how many valence electrons? Number of electrons in the outermost shell 2 plus 3, 5. Now write its dot structure. 5 electrons. The capacity of P is 6 electrons. Here there are 3 electrons. There is a shortage of 3 electrons. So you write 3 electrons this side because it has to share these 3 electrons with the other nitrogen atom. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. One more nitrogen atom with 5 valence electrons. Right? These are nitrogen atoms. Nitrogen atoms. Now show the formation. One nitrogen atom with 3 plus 2, 5 valence electrons. This nitrogen atom with its 5 valence electrons. Now show the sharing of electrons. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. Now show this side. This is the formation of covalent bond, sharing of electrons. It forms nitrogen molecule. Right here, nitrogen molecule. How many pairs of electrons are shared between these two nitrogen atoms? 1, 2, 3. Right? It is a triple covalent bond. Right below this, triple covalent bond between 2 nitrogen atoms. It is given in your textbook. Refer your textbook in the lesson carbon and its compounds. Triple covalent bond between 2 nitrogen atoms.